Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss system of linear equations. Uh, Firstly, we are going to see some notations and terminology regarding system of linear equation. So we can write system of linear equation in this form: a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 up to so on, plus a1n xn, okay, equal to some constant b1, right? So here x1 x2 x3 up to so on xn, these are unknowns, right? And ai's are coefficients of this linear equation. These equations are called linear equation because in 2D their graph is always line, so that's why they are called linear equation. Okay, secondly, this is one equation, so we will be writing m equations. Okay, so they together constitute system of linear equations. So second equation, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus so on, plus a2 and xn equal to b2. Okay, continuing in this way, and lastly you write m1, since this signifies, this m signifies there are m number of equations, right? So a1m am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus am3 x3 plus so on, plus lastly amn xn equal to bm, right? So see here, number of equations, how many equations are here? So number of equations are, okay, number of equations is equal to m, right? And number of unknowns are n. Okay, so here number of equations are m and number of unknown is n. Okay, these are known as unknowns. Okay, x1 x2 x3 and ai's are known as coefficients. So we can also write these equations in following form, in matrix form. Okay, it can be written in this way: a11 a12 a13 up to so on, a1m, and second equation, coefficients of second equation, a21 a22 a23 up to so on, a2n and so on, okay, up to am1 am2, okay, so on, am3 up to so on, and lastly amn. Okay, and here column matrix of unknowns. Okay, x1 x2 x3 up to so on xn. Okay, so if you multiply this with this matrix, okay, this matrix with this matrix, we get a11 x1, okay, a12 x2, okay, the same equations we have already written over there, right? So it is equal to, column matrix again, b1 b2 up to so on bm. So this is the matrix representation of given system of linear equations. Okay, so if I call this matrix A matrix, okay, then we can write it as, and I call this matrix X matrix and this B, so I can write it as AX is equal to B. Okay, So this is the matrix notation of given system of linear equations. This matrix is known as matrix of coefficients. Okay, matrix of coefficients. This matrix is known as matrix of unknowns, right? Okay, now we don't name actually B. Okay, now further we used to have another matrix A B. Okay, this is known as augmented matrix. Okay, or you can call this matrix B matrix, matrix of constants. Okay, this matrix is known as augmented matrix. Okay, and this matrix is very important matrix when we are solving linear equations. Okay, this is equal to, firstly you write a11, a12, okay, up to so on, a1n, a21, a22, up to so on, a2n, up to so on, am1, am2, and amn. Okay, and after this you write b1, b2, up to so on, bm. Okay, this matrix is known as augmented matrix. Okay, and it is written in, it is denoted by this. Okay, so now system of linear equation can be divided or classified into two types. Okay, first type is non-homogeneous or non-homogeneous linear equations. Okay, non-homogeneous linear equations, and second is homogeneous linear equations, right? So which matrix do we call, which type of matrices we do call homogeneous linear equations, or sorry, which types of linear equation we used to call homogeneous linear equations? So if b is equal to 0, then given system of linear equations is known as homogeneous linear equation, right? When b is equal to 0, right? So that is ax is equal to 0, this matrix 0 matrix. Okay, this is 0 matrix. This matrix this system is known as homogeneous linear equations. For example, if I take linear system of linear equation 2x plus 2x1 plus 3x2 is equal to 0, or you write plus x3 is equal to 0. Okay, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. Okay, and x1 minus x2 minus x3 is equal to 0. So see here, all the constants are 0 here. Okay, so b is equal to 0 here. So this sort of system is known as homogeneous linear equation, system of homogeneous linear equations. So if b is not equal to 0, okay, not all the bi's are 0, then we call this equations, we call this system non-homogeneous linear equations. Okay, system of non-homogeneous linear equations, right? So firstly we would be try to see how to solve non-homogeneous linear equations. Okay, solution of non-homogeneous linear equations. Okay, so a solution of firstly we will solution of these non-homogeneous linear equation will be divided into two types. Okay, one is consistent, another is inconsistent. Okay, inconsistent. Okay, consistent solutions, inconsistent solutions. Okay, inconsistent a solution is said to be inconsistent. Okay, if it means there exists no solution at all. Okay, if a equation doesn't have, okay, or solution instead of I'm sorry, this is not actually classification of the solution, this is classification of non-homogeneous linear equations. Okay, non-homogeneous linear equation can be divided into two types. Okay, one consistent and second inconsistent. If these system if system doesn't have any solution, no solution at all, then equations are known as inconsistent. If there is no solution, then system is known as inconsistent. If there exists solution, okay, then this system is known as consistent. Okay, further, if solution exists, solution may be of two types. Okay, solution may be unique. Okay, it might be unique, or many solution are also possible in this case, but in case of no solution, there is no solution. Okay, so if equation doesn't have any solution, then a system is known as inconsistent. If equations have some solution, then these sort of equations are known as consistent. Okay, so now we are going to discuss case by case when we will be having no solution, when we will be having unique solution, and when we are going to get many solution, right? So first case, inconsistent. Okay, equations are inconsistent, okay, or have no solution at all, okay, when rank of augmented matrix AB is not equal to rank of A. Okay, so on the basis of rank, we are going to see whether or not this solution is consistent. Okay, secondly, second solution is second type of solution can be unique solution. Okay, which exists for the consistent equations, unique solution. A system has unique solution when rank of augmented matrix AB is equal to rank of A. Okay, and it is equal to number of unknowns. जितने इसमें unknowns हैं, अगर उसके इक्वल ये दोनों की रैंक आती है, then that equations used to have unique solution. Okay, and last type of solution is many solution. Okay, many solutions. Okay, and it is possible when rank of augmented matrix AB is equal to rank of A. Okay, but it is not equal to n. In fact, it is lesser than n. Okay, right? If it is equal to n, if rank is equal to n, then equation system of equation has unique solution. Otherwise, if it is not equal to n, then it has many solution. If they are not equal, rank of augmented matrix and rank of A is not equal, then given equation used to have no solution, right? So now we are going to solve some problem on the basis of this thing. Okay. Okay. Problem 1. Check for consistency. Check for consistency. Okay. Of given system of linear equations. Okay. And if consistent, find the solution. Okay. So matrix given, or equations which are given: x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 1, 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 2, and 2x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 3, right? So now let us change this form into the matrix form. Okay, change the form of the system into the matrix form. Okay, so in matrix form, it can be written as 1 2 3 3 2 1 2 4 6, right? And and x y z equal to 1 2 3, right? So now here augmented matrix is equal to 1 2 3 3 2 1 2 4 6 1 2 3. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to find rank of augmented matrix AB. Okay, so in order to find rank, what we do, we used to make it 0 first and then 0, this thing as 0. We are going to make these two elements 0 using this element. Okay, so what operation we are going to apply here? So see, so on R2 we are going to subtract R2 from 3 times R1, and R3 we are going to subtract it from R1 2 times R1. Okay, so in this way we get it is equivalent to 1 2 3 1 as it is, and now we are going to subtract this from this. Okay, so we get 0 here, 3 minus 3 into 1, 2 minus 2 into 3 minus 4, 1 minus 3 into 9, 3 into 3, that is 9, and it is equal to minus 8, and 2 minus 3, it is equal to minus 1, right? And this would be again similarly 0, and it is 0, and it is 0 also, and what is it? It is 0 again. Okay, you just change this, don't write it, oh sorry, it is not 0 actually. Okay, it is 3 here, so 3 times 3 minus 2 into 1, it is equal to how much? It is 1. Okay, So see, rank of, what is rank of augmented matrix AB, कितना रैंक आ जाएगा इसका? देखो ये सारा जीरो हो गया, ठीक है, ये ज़ीरो हो गया और इसकी हेल्प से हमने ये ज़ीरो कर लिया। अब क्या करना होता था, ठीक है, बस इतना ही ध्यान रखना, 3/3 में ये सब हमने ज़ीरो करना है, ये 3 एलिमेंट, ओके, दिस दिस एंड दिस 3/3 में, ओके। सो इसके बाद जो नॉन ज़ीरो रोज बचती हैं, दैट इज़ द रैंक ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स, ओके। नंबर ऑफ नॉन ज़ीरो रोज कितना है यहाँ पे? 1 2 3। दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉन ज़ीरो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट ऑग्यूमेंटेड मैट्रिक्स। अगर पूरे ए बी की बात करेंगे तो सिंस इट इज़ नॉन ज़ीरो हियर, सो थर्ड रो इज ऑल्सो नॉन ज़ीरो एंड रैंक ऑफ A augmented matrix B is equal to 3. But if what is the rank of A? Okay, अब यहीं से देखो ये वाला you hide it, okay। अगर इसको छोड़ के जो मैट्रिक्स बनी इतनी सी, ओके, ये क्या है, कौन सी मैट्रिक्स है? दिस इज A मैट्रिक्स, अगर हम यहीं तक की बात करें, ठीक है। तो अगर इस यहीं तक की बात करते हैं तो इसकी रैंक क्या है? देखो ये पहला फर्स्ट इज दी non-zero row, second is the non-zero row, but third is the zero row. So rank is equal to number of non-zero row, and number of non-zero row here is so therefore rank of A augmented matrix is not equal to rank of A. So therefore this is given system is इनकंसिस्टेंट, ओके, और 10, ठीक है, इनकंसिस्टेंट है। अब सॉल्यूशन, नो सॉल्यूशन, देयरफॉर नो सॉल्यूशन एग्जिस्ट in this case, right? So this is how to be solve the 3/3 or 3 equations containing 3 unknowns, okay. So this is how we check consistency, okay. So now we are going to take few more examples, okay, and we see how to solve them, right? Now next problem, examine the consistency of following equations and if consistent solve it, okay. If consistent solve it or find the solution, right? So given linear equations are x plus 2y minus z is equal to 3, 3x minus y plus 2z is equal to 1, and third equation is 2x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 2, okay. It can be written in matrix form like this: 1 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 2 3, okay. Then multiplied by matrix of unknown, which is equal to matrix of constants, right? So augmented matrix becomes one 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 2 3, okay, and 3 1 2, okay. So this is augmented matrix. Now what we are going to do, we are going to find out rank of this matrix, okay. How to find out the rank of the matrix? We are going to make these 3 elements 0. So firstly make these 2 elements 0 with the help of this element, okay. How we are going to make it 0? You just subtract r2 from 3 times r1, and how to make second row 0? You just subtract r3 from 2 times r1, and in this way you will be getting these 2 elements as 0. So rank, okay, so A augmented matrix is equivalent to this when we operate under these 2 operations, okay. So it is equal to कितना हो जाएगा ये 1 2 minus 1 as it is, 3 here, and it would be 0, and minus 1 minus 6, this would be minus 7, and 2 minus plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5, and similarly it is equal to 1 minus 9, which is equal to minus 8, and this would be 0, minus 6, 5, and minus 4. Okay, so it is equivalent to, now what we are going to do, we are going to make it 0. So how to make it 0? In order to make it 0, we are going to operate third row. Okay, if we multiply third row by 7 and this by 6, so what we get? Minus 42, minus 42, and if we subtract them from each other, so we get 0. Okay, so in this way we get this element at 0. So operating 3, so firstly you multiply 3 by 7, 7 time R3 minus 6 time R2. Okay, so in this way you are going to get augmented matrix AB 2 1 2 minus 1 3 0 minus 7 5 minus 8 0. Now this element is also 0, and now 35 minus 30, which is equal to 5, and here you see minus 48, sorry, minus 48, this would be minus 48, and this would be minus 28. So minus 28 minus 48 is equal to 20, right? So therefore from here you can conclude that rank of A augmented matrix BA. ओके देखो हमने ये तीनों एलिमेंट 0 कर दिए हैं. सो अब कितना नॉन ज़ीरो रोज हैं हमारे पास? 3. ओके, देयरफॉर वी कैन राइट augmented matrix rank of the augmented matrix AB is 3. And also what is the rank of A? Rank of A, you see this matrix only, this, because this is A matrix. Okay, so its rank is also 3, because in this matrix also we are having 3 non-zero rows. So thus rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix AB, which is equal to 3, and which is nothing but number of unknowns. 3 is number of unknown. Therefore we can say rank of both the matrix is equal to the rank of number of unknowns. Therefore given, thus given system is consistent and unique solution exists. Okay, so we have wrote that unique solution exists. So how we are going to find out that unique solution now? Because we are asked to find out that solution. Okay, so for this we are going to change this equation back into the equation, this matrix form into the equations form, right? So if I write this equation in equation form, so we would be having x plus, okay, see, we can write it as x plus 2y minus 1 equal minus 1z, okay, equal to 3, and this is 0. Here minus 7 y plus z equal to minus 8, okay, and here only one coefficient, that is 5, so 5 z equal to 20. Okay, so we have, using these all elementary operation, we have reduced this equation to this equation. Okay, so equations are same. Okay, although they are same, but we have reduced them by the elementary operation into this shorter form, right? So now you just see from third equation, this equation, we can find out the value of z from here, right? So from here, so you just write them 1 2 3. Okay, 3 implies z is equal to कितना हो जाएगा 20/5 which is equal to 4. Now put value of z in 2, what we get? अगर आप यहाँ पे रख देते हो वैल्यू z की here, okay, see this equation, so it would be 20. So 20 you take it to the right hand side, and so in this way you will be getting minus 28 on the right hand side, and left hand side you will be having minus 7y. Now so in this way y is equal to minus 28 by minus 7, so in this way y is also equal to 4. Okay, and now put y and value of z in equation 1. We get equation 1 implies x plus 8 minus 4 is equal to 3. So it is equal to how much? 4. So x plus 4 is equal to 3. Now take x to the 4 to the another side, we get x is equal to minus 1. So therefore x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 4. This is the required solution. Okay, this is the solution of given system of linear equation. So and this is the way how we solve them, right? Now last problem for today, you write check for, okay, check for consistency and find out the solution if given equation is consistent. Okay, problem 3. So in this equation we are going to deal with x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 1 and 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 2, 2x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 2. So here you write this equation in matrix form 1 2 3, 3 2 1, 2 4 6, 1 2 2. Okay, sorry, this I have written augmented matrix. X y z equal to 1 2 2. Okay, so augmented matrix AB is equal to 1 2 3, 3 2 1, 2 4 6, 1 2 2. Okay, so now what we will have to do, we will have to make these two elements 0 using this A11. Okay, so for this apply the same operation which we applied earlier, right? So R2 minus 3R1 and R3 minus 2R1. So in this way we are going to get first row same 1 2 3 1 and it would be 0 and minus 4, it would be minus 7 and this is minus 1, right? And next row would be 0 0 0 because it is linear combination of row 1, right? Now therefore from here we conclude that rank of A augmented matrix B is equal to 2. Also this matrix constitute matrix A and its rank is also 2 because number of non-zero rows in this is equal to 2. Therefore rank of augmented matrix is equal to rank of A, which is not equal to 3, which is the number of unknowns. Hence we can say in this case, given system of linear equations is consistent and many solution exist in this case, right? So now question is how to find out those many solutions. Okay, for this we will have to do what? We are going to back and we will have to write this augmented matrix into equation form. Okay, so which can be written as x plus 2y 3z equal to 1 and minus 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 1, right? So writing this equation, these two equations here, we get x plus y 2y plus 3y 3z is equal to 1 and minus 7y minus 4y minus 7z is equal to minus 1. One thing I want to tell you here, okay, when number of equations are less than number of unknowns, in that case solution is okay, many solution exist in that case. Okay, you just remember this thing. Okay, when number of equations is less than number of unknowns, many solution exist in that case. Okay, so same is the true here because first row was multiple of third row was multiple of first row here. So in shortly we can say originally in real sense there was only two equation present here. Okay, and therefore number of equations is less than number of unknown. So okay, so now set if we want to get the solution of this, we will have to set z is equal to k, right? So if you set z is equal to k, okay, what would be 4y is equal to minus 1 plus 7k, right? So y is equal to 7k minus 1 divided by minus 4, so which is equal to 1 minus 7k divided by 4, right? Now let us find out x. How to find out x? In order to find x, you will have to write values of y and z in 1, right? So x plus minus 7k divided by 4 gets cancelled with 2, so we are left with this. So plus 3k is equal to 1. Now simplifying this, we get x is equal to 1 minus 3k minus 1 plus 7. Okay, and taking LCM, it becomes 2, it becomes 6 and divided by 2, right? So after solving this, we get it is equal to k plus 1 divided by 2. So therefore the xyz constitute the solution of given differential equation, right? So x is equal to k plus 1 divided by 2, y is equal to 1 minus 7k divided by 4 and z is equal to k. So if you take k is equal to 1, we get x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 6 by 4 and z is equal to 1, right? So this is the one solution, one of the many solution. If you set z is equal to 2, y is equal to, y would be equal to minus 13 by 4 and z would be equal, x would be equal to 3 by 2. So this is the second solution. So in this way you will be getting many solution. We have already gotten 2, so you can set 1, 2, 3, 0, whatever you want, half, 1 by 3, 1 by 10, because k is a real number. So in this way we will be getting many solution, okay, because k is real number. So thus we will be having too many solution, infinitely many solution in fact. So in this case we will be having infinite solution, okay. So how we are going to generate these solution? We are going to generate them by given equation, okay. X is equal to what, y is equal to this, and z is equal to this. In this way we will be getting all these solution. So this is it for today. The rest of the things will be done tomorrow. Thank you.